Hi YouTube. In case you have this Zojirushi Zojirushi with model number NS-WRC10, I think I bought this from Costco. Just want to share it to you. I was actually planning to take off this part because I want to clean this seal here, because this is the one that I always keep cleaning, because this lid actually attaches there every time, so you always take that out and clean it. But this part I just always clean it with a clean damp cloth around it every time. So I was thinking of maybe if I could take it apart, and this is what I found out, that you cannot take it apart because of these clips here that are bent to hold that part. And I think this is a thermistor or something, like a temperature sensor that goes to the back, and I think it's the one that controls the how this thing operates. So once everything is cooked, and then it just turns off. So just want to share to you that I think you cannot take it out. Okay, so here you go. Thank you.